And let's sprinkle a bit of roasted ground paprika and a bit of turmeric, curcuma, turmeric in English, curcuma in Finnish, just a bit, and we will mix it soon. I put already powder garlic and onion as well. Yes, that comes from my separate pack. And there is oil. I put some peanut oil in that. The smoked black salt and fresh ground pepper. The rest I put already earlier, so we just mixed it. Flavors, mixing, so each piece got its flavor, and the oil will help that it's mixing well with it and sticking. Our oven is ready in grill, and I will just put it there and mix it after a few minutes. We have to watch what we're cooking in medium heat. We will put it in grill. And our babies are ready to go. Preheated oven. I set it in grill, so I think it will take a bit, like 10 minutes. But I will put the timer in halfway, so I remember to mix it. Yeah, it's good to mix it halfway. Let's leave it there and let the heat do its work. So let's put 5 here. And that's it. And we'll chew on it. We'll check on it soon. We'll see how they're doing. And while we're waiting for that, let's not get bored. There's a lot of things to see. I will show you. Fresh basil. It smells so good. I'm drying some of it. Thank you, Amanda, for this beautiful fresh herbs. We have chives, and I'm using it almost everywhere, really. It goes so fast. It wilted, so it's a pity. Have to take care of it. I will wrap it in a kitchen towel, and then I will put it in a plastic, tightly wrapped, and put it in the vegetable compartment of the fridge. The rest I'm trying to dry now. We have a lemon balm here as well. It's good for your dessert, for your drink, or just mix it in your water with lemon and cucumber, slices of apple, and ice cubes. Yes. So we're still waiting for the cauliflower. See you soon. So our 5 minutes cauliflower looks like this. We'll just mix it a bit. It's smelling good. It looks a bit dry, but I don't want to put more oil. If you want, you can, of course. But that's anyway, I use peanut oil. You can use your favorite oil, coconut oil, olive oil. Yes, this. Turn around, and I will put it back for another 5 minutes. And we'll check on it again. And there it is. We are ready. Our cauliflower spiced up grilled cauliflower florets. Yes. What I do is I don't take it off from the paper because all the flavors are there. So wrap it up just like that, and it's still warm. You can just enjoy it like this and keep it there in your bowl. You can enjoy it as it is. You can put in salad, can be cold, can be warm. Yes, yummy. Yes. And I will give you another tip. You can use this as well for cooking. I bought this from Helsinki, from Asian shop. You just sprinkle it on the fresh florets of your cauliflower and do the same thing. It took the last one, I put it lower so I don't burn it, like 6 minutes to 7 minutes, so it's all in all 12 minutes. Enjoy. Grab your own now. And now that we got our barbecued grilled cauliflower florets, we will make some more magic here in the kitchen. I have here, I squeezed 2 oranges with this funny old-fashioned juice squeezer. Yes, it's quite handy anyway. When we were in Turkey, I saw the locals, they are selling on the street. They're just squeezing this pomegranate. It's so delicious. It's so, I'm sure you know that how nutritious this pomegranate, or they have a big sack of pomegranate on their side. They have a small table. They have 1 or 2 of this. They are just, they keep on squeezing and selling, and it's selling like a pancake actually, especially for the tourists and the locals as well. But anyway, let's continue. And the star of the show, the premium pink Gordons. We will put like, I have a, oh, where's my glass? Ah, here it is. Yep. I will put some ice. I have ice cubes, beautiful ice cubes. Yeah. I like putting the ice first. I put a lot as well, 6 will be enough. And I will put like 3 ml. That will be 9 grams. And it says 73 calorie. No, we're not counting calorie now. So I will put 2.5. That would be 3 centiliter. Oops. Extra doesn't hurt. So then our orange juice. There it is. I should drain it, but I like this pulp as well. Some people doesn't like it. So I will shake. And another one. This is my favorite as well. Red grapefruit. Shake a bit. And a dash of that. Yeah. I have my magnetic stirrer with zircon there. Yes. And the Citruna Melissa in Finnish. Lemon balm. This. I will put a lot. I like this. Smelling so good. Just chuck it in there. And some blueberries. It's not so fresh, but yeah, I don't like the soft ones. It's been in the fridge for a while, but yeah. I'm greedy with the blueberries. I hope you too, because it has a lot of antioxidant, fiber, vitamin C. Yes. There it is. Cheers. Let's call it Pink Lady. My own version of Pink Lady. Enjoy your day or your night.